Time is precious, particularly when it comes to running a small business. Yet there are never more than 24 hours in a day. Some entrepreneurs respond to this fact of life with focus and purpose. Others freak out. Are you in the latter group? You don't have to be. With the right approach, you can work efficiently, productively, and relatively stress-free. Here are 7 tips for effectively managing your time. 1. Know your goals. Make sure you're engaging in activities that support your business goals, both short and long-term. Everything else is a potential time waster. Your daily plan should revolve around working on tasks and activities that directly relate to generating income and growing your business. 2. Prioritize wisely. Stephen Covey, co-author of First Things First, offers an organizational tool for your to-do list based on how important and urgent tasks are. Looking at what goes into making up your day, where do your activities fit into these categories? Important and urgent. Important but not urgent. Urgent but not important. Not urgent and not important. 3. Just saying no. You are the boss. If you have to decline a request in order to attend to what's truly important and urgent, do not hesitate to do so. The same goes for any projects or activities that you've determined are headed nowhere. Be prepared to move on to more productive tasks. Learn from the experience to avoid wasting time later on. 4. Plan ahead. One of the worst things you can do is jump into the workday with no clear idea about what needs to get done. The time you spend thinking ahead and planning your activities is trivial compared with the time you'll lose jumping from one thing to the next, and rarely completing anything. Depending on your personality, try one of these options the night before. At the end of the day, take 15 minutes to clear your desk and put together a list of the next day's most pressing tasks. It's a great decompression technique, and you'll feel better sitting down at a clean desk in the morning. First thing in the morning. Arrive a few minutes early and assemble your prioritized to-do list. This may prove to be the most productive part of your day. 5. Eliminate distractions. Start paying attention to the number of times someone interrupts you when you're in the midst of an important task. Track self-induced interruptions, too, particularly those of the social media variety. Your smartphone is extremely useful, but it's also addictive and among the most insidious time wasters known to mankind. 6. Delegate more often. If you've done a good job of hiring talented, dedicated employees, there's always more work they can take off your desk. Running a successful small business depends upon the owner's ability to think about what lies ahead and not get mired in day-to-day operations. Look for opportunities to pass responsibility for specific tasks to others on your team. 7. Take care of yourself. Be sure to get plenty of sleep and exercise. An alert mind is a high-functioning mind and one that's less tolerant of time-wasting activities.